Hello Crypto News! Today is January 8th, 2026, and here are the top crypto news stories. We're talking about World Liberty Finance, Mr. Trump's DeFi, which has filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to become a national trust bank. If it becomes a bank, the proposal aims to place the $1 stablecoin under direct federal supervision, a regulatory category that has only been accepted by one other cryptocurrency company to date. So if World Liberty Trust Company is approved, it will be able to undertake the issuance and redemption of one USD1, offer conversion services from other major stablecoins to one USD1, offer custody services for fiat and major stablecoins, and perform reserve management for the assets backing the outstanding $1. So World Liberty Finance is set to become a bank. Moving on, we will mention JPMorgan, which is launching the JPM cryptocurrency on the Canton Network. Since this news, Canton has not reacted much, with a plus 4%. However, what is the JPM cryptocurrency? JPM Coin is a bank-issued deposit token denominated in US dollars, which allows institutional clients to make payments using a digital representation of JPMorgan deposits on a public blockchain infrastructure. So we can say that it is like a tokenization of a bank account, as far as I understand. Moving on to our currency, we will mention Babylon, which has received 15 million US dollars from A16Z to expand its services into Bitcoin loans. It is a protocol where you can stake your Bitcoins, but now, with this funding from A16Z, it will develop the ability to use Bitcoin as collateral, which will be able to unlock a significant source of on-chain capital and allow BTC to function as a product. So Babylon is trying to expand on the Bitcoin DeFi narrative and use Bitcoin for other things, which is what they are trying to achieve in our market. Let's say Babylon has returned 24% on the 7-day chart since this news. Moving on to our coins, we will go to Solana, which one of the most important statistics to look at is how much money each coin's network is generating. Solana is doing very well, as we learned that Solana revealed that Solana-based applications had revenue of $2.39 billion in 2025, which is a 46% increase from 2024. As you can see from the chart below, the 7 most profitable applications are PanFan, Axiom Exchange, Meteora AG, Radium, Jupiter, Trade with Photon, and BullX. So as you can see, the protocols that create meme coin and then the DeFi and DEX that you can use to trade them are the ones that have made the most money, since, as I said before, Solana is mostly running meme coin. Moving on to the Solana ecosystem, we're going to go to their new mobile phone, the Seeker, which has its own airdrop, but not for owners of the Saga mobile phone, since that mobile phone, as you know from Crypto News, has no support. They don't even release a software update for it. They've literally abandoned it. So SKR will start offering an airdrop on January 20th for the Seeker mobile phone. Let's say there's an ad that says this airdrop will start on January 21st, but it doesn't seem to be true because the airdrop is on January 20th from what I've read. So moving on from our mobile phones, we're going to a Bitcoin miner, Riot Platform, which seems to be investing more in AI and selling Bitcoin, as Riot Platform sold 1,818 BTC in December for $161.6 million, with an average selling price of $88,870 as part of a strategic shift from a Bitcoin mining company to a data center focused on AI education, etc. And this isn't something we've seen for the first time. We've been telling Crypto News for weeks that Bitcoin miners are using part of their infrastructure to build AI data centers because it's selling so much. However, this particular company is the 7th public company to own Bitcoin and holds 18,005 Bitcoin worth $1.63 billion. So what will it do? Will it continue to sell or not? And here we come to our beloved cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin holding at $90,000, a price that probably wants to return to our channel as liquidations have reached $440 million, mostly from long trades this time. That wraps up the top news for crypto today. Is January 8th, 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.